Hello Ma'am Polinar. Good afternoon. My name is Jerwin Grado. Section is for I. This is my activity. Here are 5 significant aspects of Bambo Manalak. First, iconic voice and style. He is famous for unique voice that blend powerful rock element with a smooth, mellow tunes. Second, legendary career in band. He started off the original frontman of Rever Maya, one of the most influential bands in the Philippines history. Third, successful solo artist. After his band, he launched a strong solo career. His debut album No Water, No Moon was a hit, reaching gold record status. Fourth, award-winning musician throughout his career. He has received numerous awards, including multiple Awit Award, MYX Music Award, and In Your Rocks Awards. Fifth, influence and mentorship. Aside from singing, he is known as respected coach on the voice of the Philippines. That's all. Thank you.